English Vibe.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Vibe. How are you today? Today, I am here with Emma, and we are going to talk about daily routines.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Daily routines are very important, so I think today's conversation will be fun and useful.
I agree. Everyone has a daily routine, even if it is simple.
That is true. Some people have very busy routines, and some people have calm routines.
Emma, do you like having a routine every day?
Yes, I do. A routine helps me feel organized and relaxed.
Same here. I feel better when I plan my day.
Exactly. A good routine can help reduce stress.
So, Emma, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
Wow, that is early.
Yes, but I enjoy quiet mornings.
I understand. I usually wake up around 7 o'clock.
That is still a good time.
Thank you. Do you use an alarm every morning?
Yes, I do. I use my phone alarm.
Me too. Sometimes I turn it off and sleep again.
Really?
Yes, especially on weekends.
That happens to many people.
What is the first thing you do after waking up?
First, I drink a glass of water.
That is a healthy habit.
Thank you. Then I open the window and take a deep breath.
That sounds peaceful.
It helps me feel awake and relaxed.
I usually wash my face first.
Cold water?
Yes, cold water wakes me up quickly.
I do the same thing sometimes.
After that, I brush my teeth and make my bed.
Making the bed is important.
Yes, a clean room makes me feel organized.
I completely agree.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, always.
What do you usually eat?
Usually eggs, toast, and fruit.
That sounds delicious.
Thank you. What about you?
I usually eat cereal or a sandwich.
Simple and easy.
Exactly. I do not like cooking early in the morning.
I understand that.
Do you drink coffee?
Sometimes, but I prefer tea.
What kind of tea do you like?
Green tea or herbal tea.
Nice. I drink coffee every morning.
Coffee gives many people energy.
That is true.
Do you listen to music in the morning?
Yes. Calm music helps me start the day.
I like soft music too.
Sometimes I also listen to English podcasts.
That is a great way to practice listening.
Exactly.
After breakfast, what do you usually do?
I get dressed and prepare for work.
Do you prepare quickly?
Not always.
Really?
Sometimes I change my clothes 2 or 3 times.
That is funny.
I want to feel comfortable during the day.
That is important.
Then I check my messages and emails.
I try not to use my phone too much in the morning.
That is smart. I like calm mornings without too much noise.
I understand. How do you go to work?
I usually drive.
Is traffic busy in the morning?
Very busy sometimes.
That sounds stressful.
A little, yes, but music helps me relax. Good idea. What about you? I usually take the bus. Do you enjoy it? Sometimes. I like looking outside the window. That sounds relaxing. Yes, especially on quiet mornings. Let's teach our listeners some useful vocabulary.
Great idea.
The first phrase is wake up.
Wake up means to stop sleeping.
Example sentence, I wake up at 6:30.
Very easy and useful.
Another phrase is brush my teeth.
Example, I brush my teeth every morning.
Perfect.
Another useful phrase is make my bed.
Example, I make my bed before breakfast.
Good example.
Let's talk about grammar for a moment.
Okay.
We use the simple present tense for routines and habits.
For example, I drink coffee every morning.
Or Emma takes the bus to work.
Exactly.
We use simple present because these actions happen regularly.
That is an important grammar rule.
Let's give another example.
Great idea.
Daniel listens to music in the car.
Emma eats breakfast every morning.
Excellent.
Let's also talk about pronunciation.
Sure.
Many native speakers say breakfast very quickly.
Yes, it sounds like breakfast.
Good pronunciation tip.
Another word is comfortable.
Native speakers often say comfortable,
English pronunciation can be difficult sometimes.
but practice helps a lot.
Definitely. What about you, everyone? What time do you wake up every day?
Tell us in the comments below.
We would love to read your answers. Emma, what do you usually do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I usually study or work on projects.
Do you take breaks?
Yes, small breaks help me stay focused.
I agree. I also take short breaks during work.
Sometimes I go for a short walk.
Walking helps clear the mind.
Exactly.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
Usually something light, like a salad or sandwich.
Healthy food gives more energy.
Very true.
I sometimes eat rice and chicken for lunch.
That sounds good.
Thank you.
After lunch, I usually continue my work or studies.
Same here,
Sometimes afternoons feel very long.
especially when you are tired.
Exactly.
Do you drink coffee in the afternoon too?
No, only in the morning.
Good idea. Too much coffee can affect sleep.
Yes, that is true.
Emma, what is your favorite part of the day?
Honestly, I like evenings the most
Really? Why?
because evenings feel calm and peaceful.
I understand that.
What about you?
I like mornings because the world feels quiet.
Quiet moments are very important.
They really are.
What do you usually do in the evening?
I usually eat dinner, relax, and watch something interesting.
Sounds relaxing.
Sometimes I read a book too.
Reading before bed is a good habit.
Yes, it helps me relax.
I usually drink tea before bed.
Herbal tea?
Yes, herbal tea helps me sleep better.
Nice.
I also avoid using my phone late at night.
That is smart.
Too much screen time makes sleep difficult.
I agree.
What time do you usually sleep?
Around 10:30.
That is good.
What about you?
Usually around 10 o'clock.
Getting enough sleep is very important.
Yes, sleep helps your body and mind.
Let's teach another useful word.
Okay.
The word is routine.
A routine is something you do regularly.
Example, my daily routine starts early.
Excellent example.
Another useful word is relax.
Relax means to rest and feel calm.
Example, I relax after dinner.
Very useful phrase.
Let's teach one more expression.
Sure.
In a hurry.
Example, I was in a hurry this morning.
Many people use this phrase every day.
Very true.
Emma, do you think routines are important?
Yes, definitely.
Why?
Because routines help people stay organized and healthy.
I completely agree.
Good habits can improve life little by little.
That is a beautiful way to say it.
Thank you.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And share this podcast with your friends who are learning English.
Learning together is always more fun.
Definitely.
Emma, today's conversation was very relaxing.
Yes, I really enjoyed it.
We talked about morning, afternoon, and evening routines.
And we learned useful vocabulary and grammar too.
Thank you everyone for listening today.
We hope this podcast helps improve your English little by little.
Keep practicing every day.
Small steps create big progress.
See you in the next episode of English Vibe.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone.